How to burn stubborn belly fat lifting weights. Most people believe that lifting weights is only meant for bulking up or building muscles, but that could not be farther from the truth. People associate lifting weight with bodybuilding, but there is a critical benefit of lifting weights that outweighs bulking up and looking like the Incredible Hulk, and it is called losing weight. Keep watching to learn how and why. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. Building muscle is one of the best ways to burn fat. This is because the more muscles you have, the more calories you can burn throughout the day. So, if you have fat around your abdomen that is proving challenging to get rid of, you might want to try strength training exercises. Following is how you can burn stubborn belly fat by lifting weights. Weighted Russian twists. Sit on a mat with your knees bent and your heels resting on the ground. Hold onto a dumbbell with both hands at chest level. Lean back slightly and raise your feet around a foot from the floor. Twist your torso to the right as you take the dumbbell towards your right hip. Hold the twist for a second before going back to the center. Do the same on the left side. Keep alternating between the two sides until you have completed 1 minute of weighted Russian twists. Overhead to squat. Lie on a mat with your knees bent. Your feet should be firmly planted on the ground and around hip-width apart. Hold a dumbbell with both hands and stretch your arms up over your head. Harness power from your core to build momentum as you swing and pull yourself up into a low squat. Lower yourself back down to your starting position before repeating the same movement. Repeat the movement until your 1 minute timer runs out. Kneeling wood choppers. Kneel on your right knee and keep your left knee bent with the foot firmly planted on the mat. Hold a dumbbell with both hands and raise it above your right shoulder. Slowly swing it back down diagonally towards your left hip. Repeat this movement for 30 seconds and do the same on the other side. Side plank with hip lifts. Start with a regular side plank position where you lie on your side and prop yourself up using your right forearm and the side of your right foot. Make sure you keep your body as stiff as a plank so that your torso forms an incline from your feet to your shoulder. Hold a dumbbell just above your left hip and keep it stable with your left hand. Sag your hip down towards the mat before lifting it as high as possible towards the ceiling. Keep sagging and lifting until you have completed 30 seconds worth of hip lifts. Do the same on the other side. Weighted leg lifts. Lie on a mat with your arms at your sides and palms pressed down. Hold a dumbbell between your legs at around ankle level. Keep your back pressed on the mat as you lift your legs to around 2 feet from the ground. Keep your core engaged as you very slowly lower your legs. Stop at around 6 inches from the ground before slowly lifting your legs back up. Keep lifting and lowering your legs until your 1 minute timer runs out. When you think of getting flat abs, you might think that the only thing you can do is do the usual abdominal exercises. However, using weights will enable you to get rid of excess fat much more quickly, especially around the abdomen. Do these weightlifting exercises regularly so you can melt the stubborn belly fat, keeping you from the body you have always wanted. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.